first shot. Except wait, purple hasn't fired yet. Oh, he hit it. But purple team got a hit.
Oh my God.
Take your time, take your time.
Come on, Tuna.
Fire!
Gotta hit the targets. Only the purple team has hit one so far. Oh, he hit it.
Woo, let's go. Dunk him. Let's go.
Only the first 3 teams move on. Hurry up and shoot your targets.
Lock in!
Purple's gonna be the first one up. Purple might build their ladder before anyone hits a target. Hey, that's it.
That's a hit. On top. Come on.
Hit it!
Oh, no.
Are you kidding me?
Come on, 30.
And the hit!
Two hits.
Let's go, 22. Hey, you got it. Good job, good job. All right.
You got this, Swell.
Purple team is crushing it. They've already built half of their ladder.
Bring it on in.
But here comes yellow team to start their ladder.
You got it. Good. That's one. That's one. There it is.
Oh, you ready? Hit one.
What are you doing?
Purple team is flying through their ladder, but 40 is struggling to get out of the water. They're going to lose time that they could be using building their ladder.
Now or never, baby.
Let's go!
Hurry, the last 2 teams will be eliminated.
Come on, on top.
You got it!
Throw it, throw it, throw it!
There's now 3 teams building their ladders.
Throw him, throw him, throw him.
Now red team is starting their ladder.
Yes! He's getting up.
They had a big lead, but the others are catching up. Oh, and now green team has moved ahead of team yellow. Despite being in last place, blue team is not giving up.
Yes! Yes! Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go!
And I can't believe it, but green team is now tied with purple.
But be careful, you got it!
Oh no, he dropped the rope.
Focus, focus. Be accurate. Be accurate. Come on, come on.
Go, go, let's
Get up, get up, get up, get up, get up.
Let's go!
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go, let's go!
Oh, green might be first.
Push it, push it!
Second one! One spot remains! One spot remains!
Go, go now. Hurry, hurry. We gotta get over first.
The best team captain ever!
We're the first one.
You now have a 1 in 12 chance of winning that $250,000.
Number 7 right here. Couldn't do it without him.
Blue, I'm sorry. You can put the bow down. You've been eliminated.
So now, there's 2 teams over there that did not make it. This part sucks. This part is not fun to watch.
Come here, girl. Come here. You're okay. Look, you made it. You were the top 4 girl. Did you hear that? You were 4th and you are 8 years old. And you were 4th place girl.
Sadly, these 2 teams were eliminated. They played very well. I'm sorry it didn't work out.
We still are strong. You're welcome.